Okay, so in this video, we're going to be staying with the Amazon product poster part of the plugin, and we're going to talk about adding products by ASINs, which is the way I like to do it, and by Amazon Browsenode. Now, I recommend if you are going to search and add products using a keyword, let's just go down there and take a look at it when we go to the Add to Queue section. Okay, if you want to search and add for products using a keyword, then I really recommend using a Browsenode instead of that. So let me just show you how to use a Browsenode when you're searching for products and why it's a better option. This is a website I use a lot when I'm grabbing Browsenodes. There are other websites out there that give you Amazon's categories, product categories, Browsenodes. A Browsenode is a number that's been assigned to a specific category. Okay, so when you're using the plugin, when you use a Browsenode, it's only going to bring back results within that category, and Amazon assigns these numbers to a multitude of different categories. And let me give you an example. If we take a look at the baby category, remember baby is in a top level product category for Amazon. So but they give you a Browsenode for that. So if you use this Browsenode, then you want to understand that it's going to bring back products that are related to all the subcategories of baby. So let's go in and take a look at the baby category. Okay, so within baby, they give you the subcategories, okay? And again, we have a Browsenode. Okay, now you can even go down further. So let's say that we're talking about strollers and accessories. If you want to add products that are related to strollers and accessories, then you would use this Browsenode. So we're going to go ahead and click inside here. And let's say that we want to add just strollers, okay? We don't want to add anything else. Then we can use this Browsenode. But I think they have another category within strollers. I'm not sure. Yes. There you see all the subcategories. So let's say that you have these subcategories on your site. So your site's about baby strollers, and then you have subcategories, joggers, lightweight prims. So this is probably where we're going to start using our Browsenodes. I think they can even drill it down further, but let's say that we want to post strollers that are in the category of jogger strollers. So we're just going to take that Browsenode and go back to our site. Okay, so here we are back on our site. Now, what we are going to do is we're not going to put in a keyword. We're going to paste that Browsenode here. Oops. We're going to paste that Browsenode here. And the thing about this is you need to tell it what the top level category is. So we're going to tell it it's baby. Okay, the sort order, you don't need to worry about that too much. Okay, so no keywords. We have the Browsenode in whatever the top level category, in this case baby. And then we're going to click Get Products. Okay, so you can see that we have strollers, and they're all within the jogger part, or jogger subcategory. Okay, so here we are, and this is a great way to add products to your site. So let's say that you can add as many as you want. I mean, really, you add at 100 at a time, you know, whatever. But let's just say I'm going to add 20. And so what we're going to do is click result. We're going to add these results to our queue up here. Okay, so here we go. Now it's going to put them up here in this box. Now keep in mind, Associate Press is actually doing a lot of different things behind the scene that you won't really see. So we've built in some special code to this to make it do some things that improve the whole system. So you're not really going to notice them sometimes, other times you will. But anyway, so here we have 20 products in our queue, and they're all baby jogger strollers. Okay, so we're done with this for right now. So what we're going to do now, if you don't have the joggers category, I recommend going and creating it. So let's just go create that category real quick. So we're going to go to categories. Now the categories you see over here are all created by Associate Press. So if you are making your site or your categories on your site brand specific or manufacturer specific, then you don't have to worry about creating categories unless you just have some that you want to create. Well, let's just say we want to create, well, let's create the category joggers. Now, actually what we're going to do first is we're going to create a top level category. We'll call it baby strollers and click add new. And now we're going to create joggers. Okay. Whoops, I messed that up. I got to go edit that real quick. We want to make baby strollers our top level or our parent category for joggers. So we're going to click update. Okay, now we're going to go to Associate Press and then Post Products. Okay, we're going to go ahead and select our category that just made in joggers. You can put in multiple categories, so if you also wanted to put these in the baby stroller category, you can do that by grabbing the, I'll show you real quick. Let's take a look at. Okay, now I know you can't see this, but if you want to get the ID of a category, it's in the URL. So if you click on the category, in this case baby strollers, and look in your URL address bar, you will see that it says ID equals. Okay, so ID equals whatever that number is the category for this category. Okay, so that's the way you get that. There are other plugins that you can install on your site to get them, but you can just do this. Okay, so let's go back to Associate Press. Okay, whoops. And let's say we want to put that in 241. That's the category for baby strollers. Now here, if you're running your site based on manufacturer or brand and you want to create those categories, well, you can do that. All you have to do is select this, check this box, and it will actually put all the products in the appropriate categories for brand or manufacturer. Okay. Now again, like in the last video, I'm going to go ahead and integrate my YouTube video because I like to have a YouTube video on all of the products on my site. So I'm going to click here, and we're going to put in the shortcode. I recommend putting it after the post, depending on which theme you're using. Okay, you just want to try it out and then take a look at a post, and if it don't look right or if you don't like it, then you can change up here. For this specific instance, since we're using a store theme, I'm going to put it after the post. Okay, if you guys want to, I'll put this on there on the side in the training area, but if you want to look at this, you can see it here. It's related YouTube videos. And so on. Probably better if I just put it on the training for you. Okay, and now if you don't want to put duplicate products on your site, make sure to check this box, and it will go through and find if there's any duplicate products on your site. It will go through and remove them for you. Okay, so you can click that. Now we're ready to go ahead and put these products on our site that we have in the queue. You can see right up here where it says you have 20 products in the queue. Okay, we're going to click here, and it will start posting those products to our site. Okay, so they're all posted. Now if you want to take a look at one of the products, let's just do that. So if we take a look at this product, I don't know why that image got skewed a little bit, but here you see we have all of the, okay, so your user can click on these and they'll show up here, okay, so that your visitor can get a good look at the product. Usually we got H1 tagged with the product name, okay, features, reviews, and then a product review or product video. Okay, so this is good for your customers if they want to. They don't have to go search for a video. A lot of times they will look at a product on your site and then say, hey, I want to see a video, and they don't have to go anywhere to do it. They can do it right here, and this helps your conversions like crazy. So, okay. Now in the next video we're going to kind of go through the same process, but I'm going to show you how to use the ASINs and how to get the ASINs. Okay, see you in the next video.